Shall we begin? Let's begin now.
Georgia boy out doing there. Oh, Dodge couldn't get it. You're going to get to with all that sand. Side over there, I might have to let it dry. I don't know. You need to walk it out first. I'm going to have my bike up there though. So you want me to go back up there? I'm going to throw this on the trailer. You start both of them over here and I'll you could probably pulled through it if it was all red clay.
Yeah.
I've seen more sand out here than anything.
Oh, I know, man.
It's ridiculous.
Whose property is this?
I ain't got a clue. I don't even live here anymore. I'm just here visiting for the weekend. This is home, but
oh yeah.
This was all just fields when I was here. Hadn't had any of this cut in or anything like that I know of. It's been so damn long since I was here. We used to race up, ride around the four-wheelers and stuff up behind Stuckey's on Hartley Bridge.
Yeah.
Or out at the pit. And I don't know how he thinks he's going to be able to get you out with his truck. It's just two-wheel drive.
I don't think that's going to work.
I don't either. He'd have to have a long chain and not get off that ridge. Well, at least my cell phone works out here. Oh, I got his keys. Trouble for breaking the law, or for breaking the law. You don't get in trouble for getting caught breaking the law. I hope I don't get stuck. You're gonna. Yes. I'm telling you.
Exactly. Yeah. I'm gonna walk down at first. If I don't think I can make it, I'm not gonna try it.
I told him you had a two-wheel drive too. That's all well and good if you got something that'll do without getting you stuck. But you don't.
I know that.
The only way not to get into the hard, or to get into the soft stuff is to stay up on that rear. Everything down here is
I ought
soft.
to go down behind and see if there's any hard spots at all, because I'm planning on zooming down through there until I get the hard spots.
He's been walking it. It's all soft. That's what I'm telling you. There's not a way to do it. I wouldn't do it in a four-wheel drive. Told him before he ever got down in there he was going to get stuck. He wanted to be Mr. I got the bigger, badder Chevy, and now he's stuck in sand. So they're both going to need a tow truck. This is what happens when you don't listen to the voice of reason. Four-wheel drive Dodge truck gets stuck because he got into the soft sandy mess, and my buddy Tony in his little white Chevrolet back there thinks that he can go down there in a two-wheel drive Chevrolet truck and snatch him out. While I applaud him for trying, that was dumb. I told him it was dumb before he ever did it. But no, you don't listen to Jim. Well, he's moving. They're rocking it. The guy's an idiot standing right behind him too. Now he's gonna get sunk up to the axle. He's showering the guy with sand. Nice. He's gonna blow up his motor or burn up his transmission. I'm waiting to see which goes first. Where he screwed up is when he left this part right here. The last of the hard stuff. He's hard-headed though. He'll blow that truck up before he lets it beat him. If he does any different, I'll be shocked.
You guys gonna need help?
Dumb and dumber. Probably gonna need a tow truck as far out as they are.
Go get a buddy of mine. We got a nice winch and a long one.
Oh, nice. Well, that'll help one of them.
In fact, he had to pull one out right there before.
Oh, really? Sweet.
It's deeper than it looks.
Yeah, that was the problem he ran into. Come here, retard. I told you. Did I not say do not go down in there? I try to tell you, but you don't listen. That guy that just stopped by here said he's going to get his buddy. He's got a four-wheel drive with a winch and a long chain on it to get both your dumbasses out.
Thank God.
The only reason he's that way because he didn't know it was soft like that. You're a dumbass because you went in there after I told you. No!
I'm gonna put that damn camera up now, asshole.
No. I'm having fun. Why would I do that?
I just wonder how I'm gonna get the fuck out.
What are you going to do? Try and pull it out with that? Or pull it sideways?
Ah, come pull this thing.
Now Hardhead's gonna go down in there in his two-wheel drive four-wheeler and get it stuck. At least you can lift it up out of there. That's only a 325. I don't think it's gonna have enough butt to even bother budging either one of those vehicles. I could be wrong, but again, they're on soft sand. And Tony's an idiot. Been my best buddy for 28 years. Bet he's an idiot. Told him that the guy was coming with a four-wheel drive and a winch and a long chain. So he's gonna try it his way. I don't think he'll do a thing. Sit there and waste gas and waste time. Retro. The popo. Not budging it. The only hope he'd have with that is if he pulled the back end sideways, if it would even do that. At least he didn't get it stuck. This is my favorite part. Him having to explain to the sheriff why there's 2 trucks stuck down there. Hard-headed. Just hard-headed.
You want YouTube action? You got YouTube action.
No joke, man. Are you in trouble?
No, I was just American.
Uh-huh.
I need a cigarette.
I'm sure you do. Aren't yours in the truck?
Yeah, but I don't want to
Why don't you walk your dumb butt back down there?
Shit.
Hard-headed. Oh God, here comes another one. You sure you ain't in trouble?
Just might be.
Evidently.
Steve's not answering the stupid phone.
Who?
Friend Steve, he got a big four-wheel drive. Well, we all going to prison.
Not me.
Folks, listen.
I'm
See
just
somebody stranded, don't help them.
That's
Let
not
that
right.
dumbasses sit there.
In Georgia, it's the law. You do stop to help them. I didn't think this was a 3-cop deal, but evidently they don't have anything better going on right now. And I think the dude with the 4-wheel drive is coming now. Yes, yes. Wouldn't you know it, it's a Chevrolet. Hi. That's a diesel with a winch. And I'm betting that's the one that's got the winch and a long chain that the guy was telling me about too. I'm gonna turn this one off and put it away.
Yeah, it's just like quicksand. It's all the water's up underneath it, up on top of it, just like regular dirt.
That's what
You saw
this
the
is,
guys
Rebel
taking it, just step in,
T2I.
it just goes all the way down.
Well, that was the main reason for me buying this one. If this one didn't have it, I'd have went up to the 7D because it does.
Big pond.
Yeah, they do.
I mean, that's essentially what all that is down there is a bottom of the pond. It's soaked up in water to where it's just dirty.
You see, this one's 1080p at 60 frames a second. So, as long as I don't run out of room on my 16 gig card, we're good. Aw, look. He got the little one out. Now I can tell him to put his damn four-wheeler back on the trailer and let's go. Oh, what an idiot.
He's trying to be friendly.
Love him to death. We've been buddies for 28 years and
He's trying to be him.
he was. He just got bigger ideas of what his truck can do than what it'll actually do, especially in sand. I sat there on his four-wheeler for a while he was unhooking the truck, and the guy told me, he says, I just kind of rolled down into this and it just sunk.
Huh?
Where at?
In Warner Robins.
Oh. I was like, I didn't hear about this one. I thought maybe Byron.
Mm-mm. No, we've only lived here for right at a month.
Oh, in Byron? Mm-hmm. It's not bad. People complain because we stop a lot of cars, write a lot of tickets. I'm 15 old. So, I hear people complain.
Push it.
I hear people complain to me all the time. Y'all always stop cars for speeding. Hey, when do you want us to start stopping? 20 over? We're already giving you 15.
Yeah. Most police don't give you 5.
If you think about it, that's 60 mile an hour to 45 mile an hour zone.
Yep.
When do you want me to start doing my job? At the point where it T-bones somebody and kills the entire family?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, we got that for Nashville.
Give me $40. I'm gonna play that guy. $40, I'll pull you out with my Crown Vic. I'm driving it back down there. You know Richard Mayhew? Yeah. He's an old buddy of mine.
Oh, heck.
Old Mayhew. For years. Well, what's your name so I can tell him I'll get Chevrolet? Tony O'Connor. Tell him I said thanks for standing me up. He wanted me to take him out and drive his Jeep somewhere. Oh. He never did call me back. Guess he's busy yesterday? No, it's been like a week or two. I guess he's busy with his dog. I was going to say yesterday they had a big...
When people click on your ads, do what?
You done broke the phone.
Oh.
Only in Georgia.
No, only him. That's the way his luck runs.
Heard it clank.
I'm surprised he didn't blow his truck up trying to get it unstuck before the other guy got here. He had that thing pinned.
I'm surprised we didn't freaking upbeat the tire.
Yeah, that too.
But then again, he's not here stuck as this guy is. Or wasn't as stuck as this guy.
What's that?
Unbeating his tire. My husband did that.
Yeah, because he was giving it all kinds of fits down there.
Well,
Kind of.
He's unstuck.
He's unstuck,
He's
yeah.
not out yet.
Not out yet.
As long as he don't go forward
I was
again.
worried I wasn't gonna make it out. That's why I just hammered it.
Just wondering what everybody's thoughts are that ride by. Like,
Get all your officers to make a pass. See what they think.
Police officers help him? No.
No.
Is there much?
The help is the entertainment you get.
I'm sorry, they don't buy us $50,000 four-wheel drives.
Yeah.
Only if they did.
Some agencies do.
Huh.
Trying to figure out how to get out of there.
Yeah, I think they're trying to figure out the avenue of approach here.
He needs to back right up where that
Yeah, I didn't think about that
diesel is
until
and
after
then
I
roll
got
right
down.
up the hill.
After I got down, I was like, how the crap am I getting back out of here?
I told you not to go down there in the first place, stupid.
I'm trying to be a good citizen.
That's what you get.
Yeah, I know. I think I'd learn by now.
$40 worth.
I'm not surprised you got stuck, but I was kind of afraid you were gonna blow that thing up trying to get out.
Oh, spin it.
He was trying to do like he showed me way back when, rocking it, and
I actually moved.
he was moving, but he just wound up sinking the back end in
Well, I was
further.
trying to get to that hard jump, and right when I got,
when you got to the edge
close
of it.
to it, it just high centered.
That's like a 4 low.
And he's gonna get forced stuck again if he ain't careful where he goes out. That's where we went out with the four-wheeler. It'll be good. That's all solid there. Listen.
Hey, that hog's gone. It was a big old hog.
It might be gone, but the stink ain't.
I mean, it was huge too.
I come around that corner going down in there.
Yeah.
Ugh.
I don't know if somebody hit it or what, but it was huge.
Yeah. Here comes the saver.
That's the main thing I'm worried about. I
Find that, like, it's like, find that.
Looks like you had your fun for the day, huh?
I'm gonna play later.
Oh, okay. Wow.